Okay, the incident of ambush attack on the 40 Assam Rifles, Shangshak, it happened yesterday. Yesterday, the 6th of July 2026, at around 1:40 p.m. And it continued till 4:10 p.m., around 4:10 p.m. And it happened near Nungshang Kong, some around 30 meters short of Nungshang Bridge from Ukhrul towards Shangshak. The convoy of 40 Assam Rifles, they were traveling from Ukhrul towards Shangshak to their base battalion, Shangshak. And while they were traveling, before reaching Nungshang Kong at that place, before some around 300 meters before reaching Nungshang Kong or Nungshang Bridge, the assailants, the attackers attacked this, ambushed the Assam Rifles convoy. And unfortunately, 2 of them suffered fatal injuries, and they died on the spot.
And when we heard about the incident, we were very, very shocked. I'm detailed here as executive magistrate for the inquest. And from the district administration, we really express our shock. We really condemn the incident. Whoever did this, we do not know, but we don't want this to happen in our place, in our state. When everyone is shouting for peace, we need to do something sincerely to restore peace. We really condemn this incident where 2 personnel of the Assam Rifles going for their duties were killed. And now the inquest is taking place here. And from our district administration side, that's what I want to say. Let there be peace. We condemn this incident. Let no such things happen again in our place.
Madam, when will they be brought to?
Tomorrow their dead bodies will be taken by flight at 12 to their respective places.